60% of adults over 35 in the UK and the US say they regret not learning about money sooner. And I get it, because I was one of them. By the time I was 30, I'd earned over £360,000, and yet I had no investment, no emergency fund, and just stress about money. And then I discovered I was handling money wrongly and decided to try out these 6 simple accounts, and then everything changed. Not overnight, but step by step. My money, my mindset, and my future finally started lining up. Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, it's so good to have you here. On this channel, we simplify money matters, we save on taxes, plan for retirement, and build freedom-first businesses using financial literacy and a little AI magic. Think of me as your financially savvy big sister. Whether you're a freelancer or a late starter or a mom starting fresh or transitioning from your 9-to-5 to self-employment, I am here to help you take control of your finances and create freedom you deserve. So hit the subscribe button and start building a life where your money finally works for you. So with that being said, let's dive in. Number 1, emergency fund account. This account is used to save for those just in case moments where your car breaks down, surprise bills, or losing your job unexpectedly. You can open this kind of account at most high street banks, digital banks like Sterling or Monzo in the UK, or online banks like Ali and Capital One in the US. Look for a regular savings account or easy access high yield savings account. The key is that you get your money out quickly without any penalty. Start with a goal of £500, $500, then build towards 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. One of the main benefits of this account is that it gives you peace of mind. You stop living in fear of the next financial hit. Account number 2. High interest savings account for short-term goals. This account is used for planned expenses like holidays, car insurance renewals, home upgrades, or tech you're saving for. You can open it at banks that allow you to create multiple savings pots or sub-accounts. In the UK, Monzo does that, Chase and Sterling do this very well. In the US, look for Capital One 360 or Sophie. It's usually a high yield savings account that earns more than standard bank account. Label each pot clearly. Spain 2026 or new laptop fund. One of the main benefits of this account is that it helps you stay out of debt by saving ahead rather than borrowing later. Okay? Account number 3, employer pension or your 401k account. This account is used for your long-term retirement savings and is offered through your job. In the UK, it's your workplace pension. In the US, it's your 401k or 403b. In this account, you contribute from your paycheck. Your employer often adds extra. This is called a match. If your employer offers 5% and you're not contributing at least that, you're literally working away from free money. One of the main benefits of this account is that your account grows tax-free, and in many cases, the government or your employer is helping you build your pot. Okay? Account number 4, personal retirement account. If you're self-employed or you want more control of your pension pot, including the one your work is contributing, a personal retirement account is key. In the UK, this is called a SIPP, S-I-P-P, which stands for a self-invested personal pension. You can open one with providers like Vanguard, AJ Bells, or PensionBee. It allows you to choose where you invest your retirement money, often in a low-cost index fund. There's also a government incentive. For every £80 you contribute, the government adds £20, giving you £100. In the US, look at the Roth or traditional IRAs available through brokers like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard. One of the main benefits of this account is the tax relief and the flexibility to grow your retirement money in a way that still suits you. Okay, account number 5. Investment account. This account is used to grow your money over the long term by investing in the stock market, things like index funds, ETFs, or shares. In the UK, you can use accounts like the Stocks and Shares ISA. In the US, it's a brokerage account. You can open one through platforms like Vanguard in the UK, Robinhood, or M1 Finance in the US. The account isn't for short-term savings. This account is used to give you options like leaving a stress-free job, taking time off, starting a business, or just having a breathing room. There's no specific type of account you need here. It could be a separate savings account or even a cash ISA. The point is that it's not mixed with your regular money. You can open it anywhere, but the key is mental separation. This is money for you to make bold moves. I started mine with just £50 a month, and it changed how I showed up at work. I had choices, and that changed everything. One of the main benefits of this account is that it's emotional. It gives you confidence, power, and flexibility in your life. So here is the truth. You don't need a financial degree or 6-figure to build wealth. You just need the right systems. These 6 accounts, even if you only start with one, can give you clarity, peace of mind, and freedom. If you found this video helpful or useful, hit the subscribe button and share it with a friend who feels behind. You're not too late. You're right on time, and you've got this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.